We are pleased to show you the 2021 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, compass, front reading lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.